trying to turn, so it did turn. So.
Good job, Nick.
Mhm.
GC.
Drinking
Yes.
a Kool-Aid.
All right, we should be coming up
Not
live
on
on
purpose.
everything. Let me know.
Mm. Not on purpose. I'm just trying it out.
Moderators, let me know when we're live. That'd be great.
Tubes up, coach.
Thank you.
Wait,
Thank you. Come on, TikTok. Waiting for my TikTok to show. While I'm waiting, I want to thank all the mods. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Government Cheese, Don, Mark, Miranda, Nick, Palm Coast, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Nick, and Diesel Dan. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
oh,
Thank you. I don't see TikTok up. Is it up?
come on.
Thank you. Can anybody tell me if TikTok is up?
I don't see it.
Yeah, I don't see it either. So what do we have up?
Twitter is up.
No, TikTok's not up. I don't see it there.
Okay, bear with me. I don't know why TikTok's not running.
Yeah, LinkedIn's up, so that one's up. Everything should be able.
Yeah, everything is up except for TikTok. So why? Checking the back end now. Bear with me. YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn. What? Okay. What? Now there's an application to go live on TikTok when I've been streaming it for every day. Oh my god, son of
Uh-oh.
What in the hell? All right, bear with me. We're gonna have to do something else. This is brand new, so hold on. Every day, something special in the neighborhood, just to try to help people get rich as shit. I swear. Don't know why this is down, but we'll just go live here. There we go. Good morning. I'm going to have to do this later. I don't know what this is about. Was your show live yesterday on TikTok, Mark?
Yep. I see you now, Coach. On TikTok.
Yeah, I had to stream off a different device, which means I cannot share my system out today. That is so weird. I don't know,
They
gang.
can see. They can see you.
Thank you. They want proof of ownership? How that? So stupid. It's amazing. Oh, I knew I should have took today off. I picked the wrong week to stop sniffing glue.
Give up heroin.
All right, good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, good morning. Everybody that's live, good to see you all. It's now 9:09, March 18th. Looks like SPY is down 0.4%. Same with Apple. I see Accuser down, Tesla's down. Market so far is down. Yesterday we had that big run up at the end of the day. We'll see what today is. This is why I tell you, though, every day, right? No bias at all. You must trade whatever the market gives you. So don't lock in on what you think is going to happen. Just react to what the market is doing, okay? Nobody get foolish on me. SPY having a little bit of a pop back up here. Found support at 564. Good job. Yes, we shorted it below 516. Everybody that was in VIP, we marked 516 to short, and it went down to 5702. If anybody short that, we were talking about it this morning for futures.
Google is behaving the same as SPY.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah, so far everything is down across the board. Apologize, TikTok. Typically, we use a piece of software that streams to everything. And today, for whatever reason, it decided that now people have to apply when we've all been using it every day. So I apologize, you guys can't see my screen. But just so you know, in front of me, right here is my trading laptop. So I am inside of the Cybertruck today. I've also got my iPad literally sitting next to me. You guys can see it right here. So I've got all my trading view charts up with our 2-minute EWO indicators. That's what it looks like. So I'm always watching what we are doing to keep a level on things. I'm literally out in the middle of the woods using my Starlink with internet access, so I can trade from anywhere in the world. I talk about this all the time, right? Here at American Dream Trading, one of the beauties of what we do is if you have internet access and a phone or a tablet or a laptop or a Chromebook, right? Anything with a web, I mean, you can trade. You can do your job from literally anywhere in the world as long as you have good internet, right? So it's amazing. We've got people that are trading in planes, trains, automobiles. I've seen people out on rivers, right? Fishing,
Cruise
trading. Ship. Yeah, cruise ships. You guys you can do this from anywhere in the world, right? And like we were talking about this morning, the training and education you get here will last a lifetime. Nobody can ever take your training and education away. Mark will never say, the coach could take it away because I've given it. I wouldn't take it away. But what he means is the training and education can never be taken from you once you get this, right? This is a skill, just like anything else, that once we get you to be able to master this, you will be able to use this the rest of your life. Now, the good thing with the stock market is you should forever be a student because the way you trade, the amount of money you trade with, and how you handle it is going to be different today, 10 years, 20 years, and 30 years from now, right? Now, luckily for all of you here at American Dream Trading, I can take you from you make 500 to you make 100 million, right? Doesn't matter to me. I've seen every level. We've got every level in this room. We can take you anywhere from I've never traded before to you are the richest human being on earth. That's what we have in this room. We can take you anywhere from beginning to the most advanced trading there is, period, point blank. That's it. All right. So you've come to the right place. You should forever be a student of the game of what we're doing in here. Speaking of being a student, I need when you guys show up to have an empty cup. Make sure you guys are ready to listen and learn. I don't care what your uncle taught you 17 years ago. I don't care how many groups you came from. I don't care about any of that nonsense. When you come over here, I need you to be ready to learn. There is a reason we are the most profitable stock market trading community in history, is because of what I train everyone on. There is nothing else. They didn't bring any magic sauce with them. They weren't excellent traders before they got here. Now, some of our members had made a couple million before they showed up, but I have 10x'd every person that's ever done that. Every person that's walked in the door that has made $1 million or $2 million, I've already 10x'd them, right? So if you come with a bit of knowledge, I will take you to the next level, right? I will take you from you're making some decent money to I am the world's greatest trader, right? Results not guaranteed, but if you are ready and willing to listen and learn, we will do it. Everybody in this room knows I am not kidding at all, and they've seen it. So, who are you? What are you training? My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33 years. I have trained over 1 million people that have come through this room. We have now made over close to 200 million in profits. We've made over 10 people millionaires from zero. We've done some crazy things. We've retired over 200 people. So stick around and see what we are all about. This is not the kids of TikTok that you're used to seeing at 3 o'clock in the morning before they go to work. This is the real deal, right? We are one of the largest and fastest growing stock market education companies in the country, if not the world. I'm not sure, but I know in the country 100%. We are top ranked in sales, service, and leading. We are literally leading the industry in what we do here at American Dream Trading. We trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto. So anything you are interested in, go to our website, americandreamtrading.com. Scroll down, you'll see the pricing. You can join the Discord for free. And by the way, we don't have these cheesy little Discords, again, that you guys see. And everybody's got a Discord now. I put hundreds of hours into our Discord that you will not get anywhere else, right? Now, along the years, we fine-tuned it and made it look pretty and everything. But I put hundreds of freaking hours into that system so that when you guys showed up, everything was ready, whether you were free or a paying member. So go over there and check it out. You can join the Discord for free. Otherwise, our memberships start at $125 for a regular premium membership, which, by the way, will get you immediate access to Zoom, which right now there's 323 people inside of here. We'll typically have between 400 and 600 people every day live. They have microphones. They can ask questions all day long. With a premium membership, you start at 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day the market is open. You'll be able to talk, trade, and train with us. You're also going to get all the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the videos on demand, everything at your fingertips, okay? Then you can move up to VIP, which starts at $500 a month, or you can buy it annually. I believe it's $2,500. We've got some specials right now. You can buy a lifetime for $3,500. I mean, we've got all sorts of stuff. So obviously, the longer you go out, the more you save, right? We have thousands of members here. There's no bot accounts. And remember, we will not send you friend requests. We'll not direct message you. We will not trade for you. There is no such thing as copy trading. We don't have a WhatsApp. There is no Telegram. That's all garbage, right? We don't do any of that. We don't sell you bots. That's all trash. Don't do any of that. That's just silly. Okay? We will actually teach you how to become a stock market trader. Whether you want to day trade, swing trade, short term, long term, IRAs, 401ks, doesn't matter. We can walk you through everything there is to know about the stock market in every different way that you want to trade. Again, I've been doing this a very long time. I've worked with a lot of people. I've been a trainer my whole life. I've been a coach my whole life. I've ran my own companies. I've worked for the largest corporations in the world, setting up their processes, procedures for IT. This is how the whole back end of this whole thing started. I've been around the block, let's put it that way, right? Come from a strong financial background and IT background. That's all I've been doing for 30 plus years. And in the meantime, I've been trading on the side, and that helped for 2 years and 7 months. I think 7 months. August 2022, we went live. I've been here every single day. I used to be in this hot seat every day, about 16, 17 hours every day. Every single day. Obviously, I'm not doing that anymore. It was literally killing me. But I've got everybody here, okay? Has what brought any more business? By the way, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate that. Thank you for all the likes, the follows. By the way, did we hit 14,000 subscribers on YouTube? Last count, we were short 1. Do me a favor, go to our YouTube channel. Go to American Dream Trading. Go to our YouTube channel. And everybody click subscribe. I think we were 1 away from 14,000.
Right now we're sitting at 14,000 even, Coach.
Bam!
Oh,
There it is.
we made only 1,000 to go now.
Yes.
We're shooting for 15.
Yeah,
1,000 to go.
yes.
Countdown.
Shooting for 15,000. Everybody make sure you click that subscribe button. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. So everybody, I appreciate you all being here. You remember 100? Yeah. I remember we started that, right? The whole YouTube channel. Now remember, I've already had a YouTube tech channel, which is now almost 10 years old. And I had done tons of stuff on that, and lives and interviews, and I did all sorts of stuff with that channel. But we had a live weekly show. I had 3 people on the panel every single week. We were doing all sorts of stuff with that. I had like 350 VR videos that I ended up just taking down and left up all the tech and camera equipment and audio and microphones. Listen, gang, I've done all this stuff, right? This is the beauty of it. This is why I tell all of you, everything you do, right, is a stepping stone to the next thing you're going to do. If I would not have done, right, high school football films and coached football and training and all of the things and IT and into YouTube, and then started to fall in love with the cameras and equipment and audio and lighting, and you know, my old man was a professional singer, so I got a lot of the audio and all the things behind the scenes and lighting, and if none of that existed, right, to get me to where I am today, we wouldn't have this. It wouldn't be this, or at least it wouldn't be what we have. So everything you guys do in life, just remember that. Just get better and better and better. You can apply it to the next thing you have. So, but stock market trading, and I'm serious, and you can see what's going on in these rooms if you just listen to what's happening, this will change your life. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Notice I haven't talked about, I just told you where to go for our stuff and talked less than 2 minutes of what we are. I'm serious. This.
Hey, mic check. Anybody got me?
Yeah, we all got you.
Yeah, I
This
think he's freezing up.
could be. This
Yeah, Coach is frozen. We can hear him, but you're frozen. Your picture.
is it better
Don't you
now?
keep freezing up.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
It's better right now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, for whatever reason, the Starlink, like, it'll go offline for like 3 seconds, and then it'll run for 10 minutes, and then it'll go off for 3 seconds. It's weird. I don't know why it does that, but so if it does it, just bear with me. But anyways, listen, what we train you on in here will change your life. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm not trying to sell you a bill of goods. I'm not talking about my products and services, but what I'm telling you is, if you've ever wanted to change your life, this is it. 1,000,000%. Even if you go over there and you just join the Discord for free and you start, I'm not exaggerating when I tell you this will change your life, right? But you got to stay, you got to be committed, and you got to give a crap. Otherwise, you're never going to do anything, and you're just going to keep bouncing around, right? So, some of the people in our room now are literally making millions. We have turned them into millionaires. Some of them are making Millions per month. Right? This will change your life. Now, obviously, results not guaranteed for everybody. And listen, statistically speaking, 90 to 95% of all stock market traders will lose money. Why? No education, no risk management, no mentor, no training system, no accountability. Of course, they come in and throw $500, blow up their account. We never see or hear from them again. Yeah, no discipline. That's not what I'm training you on in here at all. We've got rules, procedures, strategies. You must follow them all. Again, I'm not kidding though. If you come in here with an empty cup, I can show you a whole different life, a whole different world. You have no idea. Some of my moderators today are some of the richest people on earth now. I'm not exaggerating when I say that. Okay? Some of the people in my room now are making more per day than they made per month off their 6-figure incomes. Over 200 people that I stopped counting, by the way, about a year ago, have fully retired since joining American Dream Trading. I literally stopped counting that over a year ago, probably a year and a half.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not exaggerating when I say this stuff. I'm not, this isn't smoke and mirrors. I know we've got about 5 minutes, but I need you guys to understand what's happening here. This can change your life. You need to focus. You need to listen. And you need to be ready to learn. Moderators, you guys are going to have to get those mics all day. Thank you. But anyways, I hope you guys are ready to go. We've got about 4.5 minutes left before the bell rings. And we're going to be rocking and rolling, okay? We're going to be kicking some booty. Thank you guys for joining me over at TikTok. Again, I apologize that you guys can't see my screen today. Literally today, TikTok rolled out some you have to apply. So now I'm going to have to apply to get us online, which came out of nowhere. But as soon as I go offline today, I'll be able to get us back up so that we're live. Speaking of live, we're live 3 times a day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11. Mark is here every day from 2 to 4 with futures. And then we have the aftermarket show starting at 5 o'clock with Dawn and her guests. So we are literally live 3 times a day so you guys can learn, get educated, right? And do all the things. We talk about stocks, options, futures, and crypto all day long. This is the only place you should ever tune into. Everything is on here. Do I have a website? Yes, AmericanDreamTrading.com, right? Just like the name is. Everybody go to the website. Now, if you guys are joining the Discord for free, you must verify your account. Just click on the email. It will show you how to do it. If you still don't know, just in the stock lounge, just say, am I verified? If you're a brand new user, we will verify you. We're just making sure you're not a bot account. Everybody that's in here is a real account. Now listen, if you get a friend request or a direct message, none of those are us. None of those are us, okay? Turn off the friend request. We don't even allow it on our server. You will be banned if you try to friend request or direct message myself, any moderators, or anybody here. There is no direct messaging here. Okay, if you need help, we have an entire help desk set up for you. Just go over to New Member Start here. You'll see the help desk. We have 20 moderators plus standing by to assist you with anything you need help with, okay? If you guys have a billing issue, help desk. Something isn't working right, help desk. Everybody that's new, we do a live onboarding class once a week. Check the calendar, it's on the very top. So when you're in the Discord, click on the top. You'll see the calendar of events. Everything is scheduled out. Okay? If you're a VIP or a VIP Gold member, we have the Gold breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Those are every day every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from noon to 1. If you're a VIP Gold member, we also have Saturday training. So if you work, crazy hours, we have that available. VIP and VIP Gold members get training from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day the market is open. By the way, that is 60 plus hours of training. Plus they have access to workshop classes. We also have mentorship classes if you guys are interested in mentorships, right? The mentorship's $500 a month. If you guys have any type of retirement, long-term accounts, you want to learn anything there is to know about business and processes, anything long-term, swing trading, cash secured puts, covered calls, wheel option strategies, diagonal spreads, poor man's covered calls. It doesn't matter. You want to learn anything about anything, get in the mentorship program. You'll be with me 1 hour a week, or one of my training moderators, but usually it's me. 98% of the time it's me. But get in there. We've got about a minute. I'm not going to be here Thursday or Friday. I'm going to be in New York. But everything is business as usual. Mark will be live. And Palm will be running the mentorship program on Thursday. So everything is business as usual, okay? I just won't be here, but we're still going to be up and running. Now remember all of our rules. Make sure you use them. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you have stop losses on everything. Make sure you guys are taking your profits as it goes, but stopping out those losers, right, in small position sizes. Make sure you guys, if you're a new trader or you're in training, paper trade, simulate only. Don't use any real money. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you guys are journaling every single day. You should always have a journal. Even in my truck, I have a journal next to me. Journal every single day. We got about 5 seconds. We're going to have an amazing day. Love all your faces. Yes, we trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto. And here right now, it's going to be stocks and options. All right, here we go. The bell has rang. Watching SPY get a little bit of a bounce. Now today I'm going to be trading a prop firm. I'm still waiting for this prop firm to set up my accounts. I paid for 5. Only 1 is working. I have no idea, but I'll be trading out of this. We'll be calling things out in the first half an hour. It will be very busy. Apple to the upside. Apple with a nice pop. SPY pulling back here. Make sure your call outs are clear and concise. 2-minute EWOs
Order filled.
in effect. Watching SPY here.
Order filled.
Nice. Just took SPY for $750 to the downside. Careful here. We're on a double bottom on SPY. Double bottom here on SPY. Everybody be careful. Apple to the upside. Qs are crashing out.
Order filled.
SPY continuing to collapse. Careful on this double bottom. SPY double bottom area. Apple just running. Look at Apple. Tesla's taking off. Qs are still collapsing.
Apple's coming to a double tap.
Thank you. Apple on a double top.
Order filled.
Is that a double top on which? Pre-market? Previous day?
From pre-market, coach.
Pre-market, thank you. SPY still heavy here. Be careful. This is a double bottom.
I believe Apple's new high is on previous days prices, not pre-market.
It is 215 as previous day. Okay, thank you.
Same with the ES, coach.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's correct. I'm sorry. It's the end of the day yesterday. It looked like early pre-market. I'm sorry.
No worries, partner. Okay, SPY is trying to bounce off this double bottom. Getting a nice bounce here on SPY, double bottom bounce. Anybody get on that?
Just missed it.
That's a textbook bounce right there, right, gang?
Love those, coach.
Yes.
Just looked so heavy, coach. I couldn't get in.
Yeah, no worries. Remember, calls on support, puts on resistance, right, partners?
Yes, sir.
Good job. SPY looking like it wants to pull back here, but we'll see. Give it a minute. Because it's respecting this 9 right here, so let's give it a second. If this pulls below the 9, I'll short it. If this pops the 21, I'll long it for a quick scalp.
Order filled.
Just shorted it. Below the 9.
Order filled.
I'll take it. That's $700. Still shorting.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just took another 200. SPY still to the downside here. Tesla, huge pullback. Same with Apple and Qs.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took some more. SPY still crashing out. Tesla with a huge flush to the downside. Same with the Qs, same with SPY.
Done.
SPY with a big bounce right there. Still heavy. Q still flushing out. Apple pulling. SPY still heavy. SPY just continuing to bleed out. Anybody still in those SPY puts?
Minute, Coach. I got a previous gold level at 225.50.
Thank you.
Coach just made $4,000.
I had $30 to trade today. That was it. I'm up to 120 so far.
Good job. Did somebody say you made 24,000?
No, I just made 4,000.
Oh, I got you.
With your call out.
Oh, great job.
Just 4,000.
Good job.
I made
Thank you,
1,000
Coach.
by
It's good to
trading
hear from you.
Nvidia paper.
Order filled.
Nice job. Just made 3,000 on SPY. I'm trading ES futures, by the way, but you guys should all still be in those SPY puts, yes? Good job.
Yes.
Approaching double bottom from yesterday.
Thank you. What's the double bottom?
ES is 56.91
From yesterday.
even.
Okay, let's see. SPY.
63 on SPY.
Yep, 563 on SPY. Everybody's going to mark that, yes? You're on it right now. You are on a natural double bottom now.
Order filled.
Next level ES coach is 56.87.25.
Thank you. We're on a natural double bottom. Be careful. SPY still pulling. I'm actually long here with a tighter stop. There it goes.
Order filled.
Just took 1,000 off the bounce. Yeah. Who's your daddy?
ADT, baby.
Getting it done. Yeah, look at that. Huh? I'm out though.
Love those gold levels.
Yeah, but I'm out. I'm not hanging on to that. That's short. Now the retest pullback. Now I'm going to hammer it downside.
Order filled.
Anybody have next major level of support?
ES is 5687.25, then 5681.50 after that.
All right, thank you.
62.29 on SPY.
Thank you.
Order filled.
I got a bad fill on that one. All right. No worries. Still up 2,500 for the morning. Did get a bad fill on that. ES and SPY still crashing out. Is everybody still making money on those SPY puts?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll get all of your profits later. I just want to make sure you guys are still trading the trade. How we doing, gang? You guys all hanging in there, right?
Coach, can you hear me?
Yep.
Hey, Coach, I got in on puts on SPY, paper trading, of course.
Nope.
Off of the VWAP.
Hold on. Yep. No, only hold off for emergencies till after 10, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Come on, gang. Everybody should be printing here.
I think Q's and ES looking heavy.
Thank you. Come on. You guys should be printing. Support 562.30.
I can't get my orders to fill on Webull today.
Go mark it if you're trying to get in right away.
ADTX halted to the upside.
Thank you. Yeah, support on SPY was 562.28.
That was previous day lower there.
Thank you.
Oh, I take that back. I'm on Q's.
Goodness gracious. Heaven to betcha. Yep, found support 562.28 on SPY. It's getting a nice bounce. Apple, same thing, got a little bit of recovery. Looking for a pullback here.
Order filled.
Just tap the 9. Got my stop above the 9. Looking for a pullback on this 9. Quick scalp. If it rockets though, it's got a ways to go. Somebody kill those mics. You guys are killing me.
I'm on a
Thank you.
Order filled.
Just stop me out. I think my stop was a little too tight.
Real quick, Coach. Dan, I can't close your mic down for whatever reason. Please mute it. Thank you.
Yeah, there you go. Just put them in there. Oh,
Order filled.
damn it. There goes the pullback I was looking for right there. There's that pullback off the 9 I was looking for. See it, gang? Yes. Oh, my gosh, yes. Oh!
Wow.
Whoa!
Order filled.
That was 5,000. All right, I just went over what I was supposed to make. I'm now up $5,600. I went way over what I was supposed to make. Ugh!
Yeah, mine aren't filling either one.
Woo! You like that? Huh?
Yeah.
Sir, I do. Yes, sir, I do.
Oh my gosh, I told you, right? I hit that 9 on the short. Bam! Who's your daddy?
I'm making coach money today.
Yes. That was textbook. Now I gotta somehow lose about, shoot, what am I supposed to make on this account? $4,500. Damn it, I went over $1,100. I gotta lose $1,100 so I get underneath their little consistency rule. I would still be printing. This is a yeah, this is a $10,000 move right here.
Let me borrow, Coach. I got you.
Yeah. I should run this thing up about $100,000 on here just to do it today, just to be like, oh my bad, was I only supposed to make 4,500? Wouldn't that be funny?
That would be incredible.
Yeah. Oh, oops! I didn't know that happened.
Be like, oh my bad, gonna have to reset the stupid account.
Follow the rules, Coach.
I know
Follow
it.
the rules.
I know it. Now I gotta lose money.
5673 on ES, Coach, is September 1824 low, natural bottom.
5673. Thank you. Good call out.
If you're overzealous, go to practice account, Coach.
Yeah, I know.
Go to
Now.
Apple Hunt Practice account. Come on now.
Yeah. It's funny. When you make too much, right? Can't make too much on these. Hold on, I'll show you guys. All right, can you guys see my screen? See how the day's P&L is 5609? I'm not supposed to make over 4,500. See it? Whoops. Does everybody,
What does that mean, Coach?
does everybody see it? So I can
What
get.
does that mean?
I'll tell you in a minute. Can everybody see it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good. Because now I gotta. Now I have to try to lose money.
Might take you a minute if you go to mini or micros, like you did last time.
Yeah. Well, now I have to trade opposite of my brain. This is where it gets funny. Because I'm doing a combine, and in a combine you're only allowed to make 4,500 each day, because then you combine the 2 days for a 50% consistency, and then they pass you. You can make way less than that. Some people take months to pass these. It takes me 2 days, and I always end up making more than I'm supposed to, and then I gotta take money off of it.
And let's stay to specific calls for 15 more minutes.
Yep,
please.
yep. Thank you.
Order filled.
Now I gotta try to lose money. This is where it gets funny. I need to lose $1,100.
Order filled.
Try to trick your brain into that one, ladies and gentlemen. It's like you.
No, thank you.
Yeah, it's like you can't even force yourself to do it.
Let me have your account. I can do it.
Yeah, here you go. Whoa, wait a minute. Here, I'm gonna do it fast. Right here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I have no doubt I could do it. I just don't want to.
Mm-hmm. Right here is support. See how it's consolidating? Be careful. How about this, VIP members? What did we short ES at?
That was 60% ago, Coach.
Anybody know the exact level? Here, I'll tell you.
5702.
We shorted it at 57.16. Everybody in futures, we shorted it at 57.16, right?
I came in late, Coach. I missed early morning.
No worries.
Yes, that was our.
Yep.
morning.
Yep. That was VIP, and look at where we're at now.
Yep.
Coach, the only reason I did 57.09 is because you were talking about the bounce, the 9. I was listening to you. That was a 60% trade so far.
Nice. Oh, come on, a little more. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yes, I am the greatest trader to be able to try to lose money. Oh my gosh. I am the greatest trader to try to lose money to break these combines.
That's awesome.
It's so funny. Yeah, thank you. Look, 46.92. I got to get this down to under 4,500. I saw it was support, and I shorted it, knowing it would pop to the 9. I am the greatest trader in the world to try to lose money. All right. Pulling off the 9. Coach is going to go long. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm telling you right now, I'm going opposite. It stops for a second because I can hear my Starlink stops making noise. It does that every couple minutes. It just stops for a second. So bear with me when it does it. All right, here we go. So typically you would short off the 9.
Order filled. Order filled.
Did it. Good! I am the greatest trader to try to lose money and do it. Did you guys see that trade? Huh?
They did not let Mark here taking his title of the greatest trader.
Now look on the bottom. See my P&L? It was at 56. I had to get it under 45. I am at 43.83. Done trading for the day. So I had to tell it to lose a bunch of money to get underneath their threshold. That way tomorrow when I make 45, well, it'll be about 46.50. Combine aced, 2 days, 150K account. Bam! Just like that. RC says, I'm much better than you losing money. This is support. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's glorious. So that's support. And this, that right there is resistance. See the channel?
Yep.
Now this gave a lot today. Let me open up Webull. Oh my gosh. We shorted that at 57.16. It hit 56.72. Wow. Whoa. That's glorious. Let me get SPY up here. There we go. All right, so SPY. Let's see. Yeah, 561 on SPY is support. Respecting the 9 to the downside on SPY and ES futures. Who's still in those puts or shorts, by the way?
I am.
Yes. Good job. When do I think the glue will give it on your Cybertruck panels? Are you just talking about those upper trims? That isn't glue. It's actually clips.
There were some videos of those melting. I think that's probably where that came from.
Oh, I got you.
Like the glue melting and those coming off. I saw one of those.
Yeah, it's glue and clips though. So there's both up there. I saw where they're ripping those off. Yeah, it's a dumb idea grabbing parts of your vehicle and just grabbing and pulling, right? I could disassemble an entire BMW in about 35 seconds. I'm talking about the entire interior could just be ripped off by hand. Why? Because I've owned several. I could literally grab everything in that car and pull it all off by hand. All right. SPY 561. Support. We're still respecting the 9 to the downside. Who's still in those puts, baby?
Me.
Thank you.
Me.
Now listen, we're watching for, you can see it here around, well, right now it's the 21. I don't want to be in shorts if that breaks above that 21 here. As long as we stay below the 21, ride this thing straight to hell. Make sure you guys collect profits as it goes though, okay? You hear me?
Yes, sir.
I only have the one contract. I only had $30.
Thank you.
Today, so.
Yep.
But it worked. Yeah, it's nice.
Coach, on Tesla, are we just waiting for the new low day to get back in 223.19?
Yes, so once it breaks 223 to the downside, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Look at Q's pulling again. SPY's still really heavy here. This is, oh yeah, baby. This is glorious. Still, again, like I said, to the downside, right? Print your little booties off. Now I've got support at 561. This is a micro double bottom. Everybody sees it off the other one, right? So just take a little off. It breaks 561. Go back in a little up, a little more. Little dab will do ya. Pops the 9. Short it again. Hits the 21 and breaks to the upside. I'm out. Got it? Good. Good job. Continuing to print here on this double bottom. Micro double bottom on SPY, looking for a bounce. Up 30%. Nice job. Did not bounce. Kept going. Nope. Still sitting here. Be careful. It's still technically on the bounce. Be careful. This is why I take some off. And then I can add if it drops. If you've only got 1 or 2, just leave it alone. That's not for you. If you can't make multiple trades, leave it alone, okay? Yes, the 9 EMA. Yep. Yep. Now listen, if you guys are in a really good trade, switch this to the 5 minutes so you'll stop staring at these little micro movements freaking out, okay? Flip it to a 5, stop panicking. It will look like this on your chart. Isn't that a lot less scary?
Wise words.
Yep, look at that.
I love that technique, Coach.
Yeah, it's so nice. Just look at the 5 minute. You're like, oh, okay, we're still in a nice blood red candle. Yes, you are.
Tesla new low.
Yep, Tesla just broke 223. It's on it now. Wait for confirmation below that, okay? If you're not in it yet, either a really long candle to break through it, or a second candle larger or beyond the body of the first one. Let me load it up. Hold on, let me look. Let me go to the 1 minute. Yeah, you're good now. Yeah, you're at 223.53. The break was 223. Right? Is that what I had?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. It's so tight in that spot. You got a 50-cent little range. Man, it's still a pop zone. I am not 100% with Tesla to the short here. You hear me? I don't like it because it's still riding this exact same level. I don't like it. I don't like that short yet. I'll be honest with you. I do not like Tesla short here. Not yet. It's there. You got no candle confirmation through it. You hear me?
I'm clear.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that at all. Like I said, I want either a really long candle or I need a second candle confirmation that is lower than that previous candle, right?
One minute shift change.
Thank you. Let me pull up SPY. Yeah, SPY's still sitting on the 561 too, and the 9 is right there. That's a squeeze play on SPY.
You got 560.60 and 560.06.
Yep, thank you. Yeah, it looks good too because it bounced off 64. See it, partner?
Yep.
So it definitely is a level. All right, listen to me, gang. You got 15 seconds. Do me a favor if you're able to. Collect. You can always add or move your stop in case something happens here, right? Now, obviously, downside is happening, but in 3 seconds, you're going to get more volume. Here it is. Hopefully, this will just continue to bleed out. There it goes. That's nice. Oh, man, that's nice. And then we add. That's how you do it. Remember, though, always collect at key critical areas. Always collect before weird timing events like power hour, 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, right, when more volume comes in. Thank you, Ellie. Or Eli. Sorry if I said that wrong. E-L-I-E. Appreciate you. That's beautiful. Who's still making money, by the way? Everybody should be in these SPY shorts or puts.
Me, Coach, 5 contracts.
Thank you.
That's me.
Thank
Making
you.
money in meta puts, Coach.
Thank you. By the way, for SPY, this is beautiful. Oh, nice job. Yes, this SPY, these SPY puts are just, these are a gift, right? It's all we've talked about all morning. You have not heard another stock come out of my mouth, right? Not at all. Print. Yeah, NQ shorts, ES. Yep, if you guys are in futures, for sure.
Coach, it's bouncing on a level of resistance previous. 56.63.50.
Okay. Yeah, and I see it 50.
And then 56.59.75 below that is that small channel at the channel been a while ago.
Thank you. And I see this 560.30 on SPY, which is right here. Right there, gang. 2 trading days ago. We're in 2 trading days ago. That's support 560.30. See it? Down to 559.50 would be your next move. But that's support right there, 560.30, which is 560.20, but same thing. That's why you got that little bounce up to the 9. Apple looking heavy. Hit that triple top. 214.50 could not break. It hit 215 once, but that key area, and I've got it charted on here, is 214.50. Apple cannot break and hold that. It's short all day. You hear me? Apple has to break 214.50 and hold. That's a major level for itself. Tesla touched the 9s, pulling back hard again. Off the 2-minute.
The 9 on the Q's curled, Coach, to the downside.
I see it. Yeah, it's respecting the Q's, the 9 on the Q's on the 2-minute all day. SPY's starting to get a little long here at 1%, but still got about 559.50 to go before we hit 559.50 here. Here and here, yeah. So we still got quite a gap down.
About people not needing big money. I only did a $360 trade, and it's at $580.
Oh, that's beautiful. Nice job. Yeah, today is one of those days, right, where all the training kicks in, where you're like, oh, right, I talk about it all the time, small position size and leave it alone. This is the day you get paid, right? Every day you train for this day, I'm telling you. How many of you finally did it today and you're excited because for the first time you're like, yay, who is that?
Well, I went opposite my gut and listened to you.
Come on, I know somebody for the first time is in really long today and you're like, I'm finally doing it. I know you're in there.
Not the first time, but it feels good when you just get the right entry and then you can sit in it for a little bit, be patient, zoom out a little bit.
Yes, it's beautiful.
And see the setup.
It's nice. And then if
the
you...
silly thing is, Coach.
Yeah.
I made all my money pre-market, so.
Hey, that's all right.
I'm just calling levels for everybody at this point.
Yeah, nice job.
Hey, Coach, can you check Google?
Yep, but SPY is breaking above the 9. Be careful. Yeah, Google's a dumpster fire. 160.30 support. Yeah, no, Google's still to the downside. I mean, yeah, you got so much before you even get to anything over there. Let me look. Oh yeah, no, you're respecting the 9 on the 1 minute all day. Shoot. Use that 9 as your key level because it hasn't even gone to the 21. SPY sitting on the 9 and a previous now level of resistance 561.
Coach, is that a break of structure?
Not till it breaks this 21, but I already said I wouldn't be in it above the 21, right, gang? Collect as you go. Take the money. Collect as you go.
Got in a $200 put, doubled it. I'm out.
Oh my gosh, beautiful. Now everybody that's master scalpers right here, I will add a short with the stop just above the 21, because if I'm already going to exit everything above the 21, I can add here with very minimal risk. Do you hear the sound of my voice?
Yep.
Thank you. Because if you were already going to get out right there, so if we're only talking about a couple of cents, that's a great spot for me, right, to look at it. Because I'm not going to lose much if I do it right there. Let's see, my stop here is about, it's closing out at now. 561, what is this? 561.60-ish? Little more. Give it a little bit of breathing room, right? Because it'll try to poke through, hit everybody's stops, and then pull back. So right in here. This candle stays, I'm out of everything. You hear me? That's just me. Because remember what I said? If it breaks the 21, I'm out. Everybody heard that, right? Give it a little bit. This could just be a breakthrough pullback. Calm down. Everybody's sweating right now, aren't you? Look at Google pulling back. "17 seconds on this candle on a 1 minute. Calm down. Calm down. It's not confirmation. Everybody's calm, right? Yes? You better be.
Who's a cucumber?
Ice cube, Coach.
Thank you. Now look.
Dawn, not palm. Oh, you said calm. Oh.
Yeah. Now look. You see where it gave us the previous wick? My stop is going to be just above that. Why? Because if it breaks that wick, I don't want to be in it. Do you hear the sound of my voice?
Yep.
So 560. Thank you. 561.70. I hope you guys are listening to the sound of my voice, right? I'm not in here to hear myself talk.
We got you, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you. You guys all start panicking. You're going to do a bunch of weird crap if you're not listening to me. Don't be a bunch of babies.
Laser focus.
That's right. Look at this pullback. How many of you were okay? How many of you sweated it out right there and you didn't turn into a bunch of little babies?
Me.
You saved my butt by listening to your voice.
Thank
I
you.
did short again.
Yep. I said to add right there, right? I didn't say to get out. Didn't I say to add? Didn't I said add on the 21. Isn't that what I said? Yes or no?
Yes, you did.
Yes.
Yes, you did, but I'm practicing stops and they worked and I got back in.
Good job. But I
Look at it go.
right? Now listen, now because you took money from the 21, you're going to collect the money you just took. So if you added 5, take 3, 4, or 5 off of the add, off the 21. That way, if it does pop back up, you made that little bit of money and you're still in the previous shorts from before, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's how you do it, gang, right?
It's just genius.
Now again, if this breaks this 560, I got 561.71. If that breaks that, I'm all the way out. Why? Because it will have broke that 21. It will held it, right? And I don't want to be in that. 561.70-ish, because you already saw it's up there a couple times. Now you can see my 9 and 21 are starting to close the gap together on the 1 minute. You can see it's starting to form a boot, but it's not a full boot. Technically, this isn't a reversal until you get to 562. That breaks 562, you got a full reversal. You hear me? That will be a boot, and it will. People will try to drive that home. Still staying below 561.70. Still staying. Now, how many of you are slick buying puts up there and then collecting when it hits this lower channel 561? Who's doing that? Palm.
I did, Coach.
I was to say I palm.
Just twice.
Yeah, I got you when you said that.
Yeah. Because then here will be the bounce at 561. Uh-huh. I see you, Palm. I know you because you trade like me, crazy. I'm watching you.
Scalping my ass off.
Oh my God, there it goes. Thank you. Yeah, nice job. Now listen, how many of you did not bail out because it never broke 561.70? You just got paid again, right?
Me, Coach.
Thank you.
Me too.
Good job. But how many of you were sweating? All of you?
Me, Coach.
Yeah, all of you. And I don't blame you. That's a sweat spot. I get it. Now you're sitting real pretty, though.
I have no feelings.
Yeah. So robotic in action. Good job.
Would you let you place a trade?
Nice job. Now listen, collect again, right? Don't get all weird about it. Don't be like, I'm holding it forever. Take some, not all, but definitely take some off the table. And where will you add? Below 560.24-ish. 21 I've got. And then I'll add again. So I take here and add below 560.21. Listen, you guys can continue to do this over and over and over. That's why I laugh when these fake-ass gurus get on. Like, support and resistance don't do anything. Because you don't know shit. Let's just call it what it is. Right? Stop your nonsense. I got other people like, well, I trade only off of trend line. No, you're not. All you're doing is swing trading. You're literally just swing trading. You're just buying and you hope that it's going to move 50% one way or the other. Right? I see so many. I will never call them out by name, but I just die laughing at these. These are the strategies you guys have out there. What the shit? Oh my. It's terrible. I can't take it. I can't do it.
Sounds so boring.
It's not even that. It's just they're over here selling courses off of a trend line. It's just a swing trade. listen, if you guys want to give me $10,000 and then just buy a Leaps and hold on to it for 6 months, and we'll see if you made money. Okay.
From that 1%, you're a hero.
Look at that 1 minute on ES, coach. It's dropping.
Yeah, I see it. You're also in the middle of that 2-minute EWO channel on SPYs. Everybody see it on our 2-minute EWO indicators?
Yes.
Cha-ching.
Come on, baby. Yeah, I had a 561.10 on my trading view, and we're right in the middle between that and this lower band on SPY 2-minute EWO, and respecting this 9 on the 2-minute, and respected that. So again, we had 561.71-ish is what I got for the upper level on SPY 1 minute. And now we're over here trying to make new low a day. Somebody asked me about Google, and I said, you're golden, right? It's respecting the 9. Who is that? One person asked me about Google earlier. Where are you? Okay, good. He's making so much money. He's probably at the merch store buying a wheelbarrow. Remember, gang, we are going to get rid of the single axle wheelbarrow. That's how Palm hurt himself. He was literally taking a ton of cash to the bank. It bounced off of the stairs, landed on his ankle, sprained his ankle, right? So we're going to get the dualies. We'll sell the dualies only now in the merch store. If you guys are interested, head on over to, what is it, selfie.com/American Dream Trading. Make sure you guys get the dualie, right? There's 2 wheels on the front, so you don't sprain your ankle taking all of your money to the bank.
Could you have any hands-free versions?
You do, but that, obviously that costs a little bit more, but.
We should have never had a single axle anyway.
Yeah, I know. I know. It's order on demand. I don't know. I didn't mean to have single axle, so.
We're growing as a company. We make mistakes.
That's true. Yeah. We own up to our mistakes, though. We will not sell the single anymore.
I got the battery powered one.
Oh, nice.
Hey, Coach, if this keeps up, can you do a rickshaw version?
All right. You guys can get the Cybertruck version where you just open up the back and load it up. The ADT Cybertruck.
The taxes on the rickshaw version are too high. The tariffs are very, very expensive.
Now here's the bounce, 560.21. We had a major level on SPY, right? Double bottom bounce. It respected the 9, pulled back. Google still printing to the downside. Oh my. This is glorious.
Meanwhile, Apple's just chopping all over the place.
Yeah, let me look. Now the Apple gang, the Apple 2-minute EWO riders, they're usually laughing at us, right? They're usually like, not today. Today the scalpers are printing, and the EWO riders like, am I right? You guys are all over VWAP. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Oh, yes, Coach.
Mm-hmm. See? Laugh at us.
She'll pick a direction eventually.
Yeah, I will. We got a mic.
It's really a game of patience over there.
That's right. I got a micro double bottom bounce on SPY, 560.21. Again, collect on the little micro. Add when it pulls. You guys will get really good at that.
Sorry about that.
Nice. Let's see. I love your mom. Okay. Up 3,000 on your Express account. Nice job. Do me a favor. Double tap those screens. You guys are making that money on those free accounts over there on TikTok. By the way, we hit 14,000 subscribers today, which is awesome over on YouTube. So thank you. That takes us up to about 150 or 160,000 followers across all of our different social media accounts. So thank you, everybody. We're way over 100,000 on TikTok now between my two accounts. The other one I don't even use anymore. It hit like 66, 67,000 and I stopped using the personal account. And this one's up to almost 50,000 now at American Dream Trading. No, thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Great job. That's beautiful, man. Who's still in these SPY puts or shorts?
Still in the ES shorts.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Just me, just one, still.
Nice job. You had 3, right?
No, I only had one this whole time.
Oh, you're still in it with 1? Oh, you are awesome.
It's
Oh.
up $205 right now.
How much did you pay for it?
$30.
Are you serious?
Uh-huh.
How
That's
much?
all I had to trade with today.
What's
I
the
started with $30 today.
That's over 600%.
I know.
She said, I know, like it's just no big deal. You guys hear that? It's over 600% trade.
That's why I wasn't sweating. I was like, nah.
Good job.
Yeah. I don't want to. I'm going to have to sell it soon. I'm supposed to be in court soon. I got to get dressed and go to court.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, we're really long in the tooth and we're at 560.20, so
I see it.
yeah, I mean, we're a full percent, 1.12%. Not saying it doesn't have more because we've seen SPY in the last couple weeks hit 2, almost 2.5%, 2.25%, but
I hate to stop making money. It's so much fun.
it really is.
It really is.
Yeah, 560 is bullish side bounce, and then otherwise 559 is a little stronger support.
All right, thank you. Did you guys hear that? So 560 and 559. How you feeling, Palm? You feeling better, buddy?
Much better, thank you.
Palm says the way to make a sprained ankle feel better is he takes a bunch of $100 bills and he soaks them in medicine and then he wraps them all up on his leg. He says that helps.
I thought he rolled around naked in them.
You get them wet, put them in the freezer like an ice pack and wrap it around your ankle.
Yep. Now look at that bounce. Look at that bounce on SPY.
Franklin freeze.
It really is. Do you see what I was talking about right here? This 560.21, which is it's technically 560, but it had this micro double bottom bounce. And if you look at the 2-minute EWOs, this is the lower level of that band. See it? This is what I was talking about right here. Oh yeah. 11 million volume. Lots of volume coming in here. Who collected down there micro double bottom or who went long off the micro double bottom. Now listen, anytime you guys are going to go long today, I need you to understand this, right? Because we are going against the grain when we do that. But you can do it for these small scalps as long as you got that stop in place. Because you'll be like, yay, this is great, and I got the double bottom bounce, and then it'll go whoom, right? So be careful. Anytime we are longing today until we have a full reversal, you are going against the grain, and these candles can get really nasty, meaning a long, fast candle against you. So if you don't know what you're doing, please don't long at all against something that's all downhill, okay? Yeah, Tesla is on a bounce. You can see it followed our 2-minute EWO perfectly. If you guys look at that, look at our trading view indicators on the 2-minute EWO. It hit 3 times on that lower band. It's off now. which is only 30 cents off of VWAP now. You see it? This is still downside. Can see it's making lows. You're all right. Nobody panic. But I don't want it above that 561.70, which is good because now you got the EMA 55 there, which is also going to add some resistance, okay? Everybody with me?
It's also like might go double top now.
Yep. Victor says, what was the trade? It was SPY down since the opening bell. And if you were a VIP member, it's been since pre-market for futures, and of course if you were trading SPY downside. But SPY breaking this trend right here. You guys can see this down trend. We'll see if it can hold. Otherwise, this is still trending to the downside. How many of you are sweating right now?
Me, Coach.
Stop. Take that emotion out. Scalp when you start to get sweaty. Take it off when you start to feel that pressure so that it slows the whole trade down, and that way if it does go the other way, it doesn't take much from you, right? Take off until you have no more emotion. That just means you're in too heavy, okay? We don't want to be all emotional when we're in here. Just be cool. This is still trending to the downside. Nobody should be panicking at all. This is all a part of trading. Slow it down. You'll be all right. Deep breaths. Woo-sa. Those that are watching on TikTok, you can see what I'm doing here. Let me got my MacBook Pro 14 here in my lap. Leading the charge. Already made my trades. 4,500, just a prop firm account. Done. You can see I've got my iPad next to me with our 2-minute EWO indicators that we designed and developed. You guys get this with VIP, futures, and crypto. You guys can get the 2-minute EWO indicators. It's a strategy that I have designed and developed after being in the market for 33 years. SPY still respecting this trend line, but it's trying to break it. 561.70, which is now, you can see the 55 up there. And once that breaks now VWAP, that is going to be a reversal, and I don't want it. I had 562.05 before, but since VWAP is 27, which is 22 cents from it, that breaks VWAP to the upside, right? We're looking at a full reversal. You can see that we're starting to get this boot forming, right? It's not there yet, but you can see it's starting to. You see how it's starting to curl? Right here.
Are you on? No, 2 minutes.
I'm on the 1 minute. See how it's starting to curl? It's not quite there yet though, but right? But once we get up here, this is a reversal. You see how this would be a nice long boot? But right now, still downside, okay? Some of you are freaking out. Don't. You're all right. Take some off so you're not all sweaty. Don't get all sweaty all over me. Be cool. Still downside. Apple, I told you the fight of Apple all day long. It has to break this 214.50. All day long, that is the fight for Apple. I told you if that cannot break and hold above 214.50, that's a no bueno long, right? Just keeps riding that level. SPY consolidating. Tesla hit that upper band. VWAP pulling back on the 2-minute. Just consolidating on Tesla. SPY is now in the middle on our 2-minute EWO indicators. The middle of our upper and lower band area here. SPY's still sitting here. Who made money today, by the way? Open your mics if you made any money today.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, coach.
60%.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job. Again, those of you that are tuning in, I will not be here Thursday or Friday, but we will still be live. Don't worry. Everything will be business as usual. I'm going to go see Othello with Denzel Washington and Jake Gyllenhaal. I think that's how you say it, right? SPY still up here testing this area. SPY still to the downside. Everybody's like, but what do you mean it's to the downside? It's coming up. It's still to the downside. Now I'm out above that 560.70. And then I could long it as soon as I break VWAP to the upside. But it has to be a break and hold because it could still fake you out. It could run all the way up to VWAP and then pull and make new low. But I'm telling you right now, SPY is still to the downside until it shows us otherwise, right? Everybody in the room?
Yes. Scared of that 55.
Well, that's why I said, and the nice thing now with that 561.70 that we had is now we've also got the 55 sitting there, which is great. That's good for us because, right, the longer this goes down, yeah, the longer it goes down, everything comes down with it.
There we go.
I know I lost internet for a minute. I always hear the satellite will kick off. Nope, there's your pull. The satellite kicks off. I can hear it gets quiet in the truck, and that's when I know my internet goes down for a second. Apple's still consolidating sideways. Truck is starting to get warm, gang. So sorry if you guys are going to hear my AC kick on. TikTok, you guys might hear some noise. Sorry about that. Starting to get really warm in this truck. Why don't you start the truck before getting in? I'm in a Cybertruck. You don't have to do any of that. It's 10:30. 12 million.
The first round of like Fed survey, like polling and stuff is going to be coming out in about less than 5 minutes. So it's not like anything definitive decision-wise, but there's gonna be Feds talking.
Okay.
So that can jerk things around a little bit.
All right, good to know. Thank you. Tesla all the way back up on that upper level on the 2-minute. Tesla getting a lot of volume here. SPY is still to the downside.
Tesla's trying to crawl over VWAP. It's over. Let's see.
Yep, I see it.
Oh, nice pop on Tesla.
Yep, I see it.
VWAP confirming.
Yep. Yeah, I broke through that upper level on the 2-minute too. SPY is so close, gang, to our upper resistance level where I would not be in it any longer, which is going to be the break and hold above 561.70. But SPY is still trending to the downside. Now, if it breaks at 561.70, I'd be looking for a pop in volume right up to VWAP. But it's got to get there, and it's got to hold, but so far we're not. This is the hardest part, especially for newer traders and a lot of professional traders. This is the hardest part, right? This is where you start to make mistakes. This is where you start to buy and sell and buy and sell and oh crap, and I think it's going to, and buy and sell, and just leave it alone. Just stop. Calm yourselves. Calm your nerves. Take it easy. Lay off the caffeine before you trade if you can't, right? Thank you for those follows. A lot of new followers today. Thank you for that. Oh, my wife just pulled up. Give me a minute, moderators. Can you take over for a second?
Gotcha.
Thank you. Yay!
A super big go?
Yay! I'm live right here. If you want to say hi.
I have no makeup on.
Well,
I didn't do it today.
okay, love you. Thank you. Love you. I'm in trouble. Look at what I got. You guys want to know why I got this? Hold on. That's nice. Now look. Look at what my wife brought me. Can you guys see this? Can everybody see? Look at a super big gulp and an M&M. You guys want to know why? That's
like sugar.
Because she loves you.
Today is our 30th anniversary of when we met.
Yeah, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
30
Happy
years.
anniversary.
Outstanding code.
Yep. So she treated me like a king today. My favorite. Peanut M&Ms, baby. She wants you to get diabetes. Have you seen my wife?
You look like a super big goal.
Thank you. Have you seen my wife? She is super fit. No, she does not want me to get diabetes. That's why I got peanut M&Ms on my 30th anniversary, not daily, right? Yep, 30 years ago. Today. I remember it like it was literally yesterday. All right, we're still below the 561.70. We're still below it. How many of you are freaking out? But you should only have like a little bit left, right? You collect it all the way down. Everybody's cool. 2-minute EWO indicator just trended upside on Tesla, but I don't trust it yet. Not there. SPY is still trending which way, everybody?
Down.
That's right. Overall from the
Basically down if you look at TradingView.
yeah, overall from the open is down. Now obviously from the bounce is up, but overall is down, and you got to go with the overall until this shows us otherwise, which is going to be on that break above VWAP. Now right here though, I'm telling you right now, you break that 561.70 area, I'm not in it anymore. I can look at doing something else. I can wait for it to pull back. But up there, I don't want it. Which market? We're watching SPY right here. Right here. You see this pop? Like I said, if that breaks out, it's going to rip to VWAP, right? Everybody be cool. This is it. This is everything. This is all the marbles. Break and hold in here. I'm not going to be in it anymore. Let me walk you through it. 15 seconds. 13, 12. See what the next candle gives. 9. This is barely through, but I'm telling you, you get a next candle confirmation to break higher than this, I'm all the way out. 1 second. 0. I'm out. That's it. Good job. Nice job today. Good job. Testing VWAP up here. Now remember, I said it can run all the way to VWAP and then pull back, make new low. I don't care though. I'm going to take my money and I'm going to look for the reset and see what I want to do next. How many people made money on that trade today?
I did.
Absolutely.
Nice job.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Sub-Zero, show us the P&L. Sub-Zero, I made $5,600 in the combine, but I had to take money out to get it below the 4,500. P&L today, Sub-Zero is 4,383. No, it's a Cybertruck. Yep. Yeah, those of you guys that are spreading that nonsense, you gotta grow up. You should be thanking Elon, by the way, not running your mouths. Give him the humanitarian award. Stop running your mouths. There will be, I'm telling you right now, there will be no room for that in here at all. All right, let's see. SPY cranking up. Now remember, I said if that can break and hold above that VWAP range, I will long that. But if not, I won't. Yeah, I'm for real. What you talking about? That whole Tesla Elon thing, that's stupid. You guys are getting sucked into some crazy propaganda garbage. Stop being lemmings. Wake up.
You speak the truth.
Yeah, stop. I don't. You guys just got to stop with that whole propaganda garbage. They're literally making you guys do that. Just stop.
Unless you like it, then spending
So
your money.
stop. Richard, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's just found out why Google has crashed. Apparently, they went to acquire Wiz, and everybody's saying they overpaid because they paid over $32 billion.
Oh wow. Oh, that Y. Is it Wise?
Why? Yeah.
WYZE.
Like Wiz.
Wiz.
Yeah.
Wiz.
They're saying they way overpaid.
They overpaid for their Wiz.
Yes, they did.
That's hilarious. Yeah, I think it's just fogging up. I think it's just fogging up back there. It's SPY all the way up to VWAP and pulling back. Like I said, it can run all the way up there, hit it, pull back, make new low a day. Do not long it. Do not long it unless you can get a break and hold above it, okay? Not at all. Still trending down below VWAP. 561.70 was my cutoff, right? Once it broke and held up there, I don't want anything to do with that. If it breaks below the 21, I can enter it again. Otherwise, below 561 would be 561 would be my best spot to enter again short. Everybody see it? So there it went all the way up, hit VWAP, now pulling back down. Can read.
The Q's had a mini 4 and 5 top, and then broke it, and then came back down in the 9s below the 21.
Yep, I see it. So we can add in again below 561. Everybody see it around that area? It's got to get below that. You see where there was traffic? There you go, 561. We're looking for a break and hold down there, and then I would add in there. And I got mics open. Let me kill him. There we go. Wait for a break and hold below 561. Not add it. Wait for a break and hold. How many of you guys made money today? Let me know. On my 30th anniversary of at least meeting my wife, by the way. But big day for us. We always remember it. How many made money? Anybody make any money?
Trading, but yes, sir.
I did.
Yes.
Thank you, Coach. I did as well.
Yes, good job.
Still making it.
I just checked. I'm green for the day, the week, the month, and the year so far.
Oh, wow. Great job.
It's the first time ever.
Oh, nice job. Good job. Nice, nice. I would have, by the way, I would have been trade copying 5 accounts off that combine, but I reset all the accounts, and then only one of them reset. I opened up a ticket 2 days ago, never heard back from them. No, that's why I said don't long anything. Not on SPY, not yet.
Coach, what do you think about Tesla?
Let's see. Let me pull it up on the big screen. Let's see. Same thing. That tried to break VWAP, couldn't hold. Now you guys are testing new low. No, I like it down here. I can see, obviously, supports at this 223.20. But you break that, you got a whole dollar move, 222.30. See it? But overall trend, same thing. Tesla, downside. All day, same thing. SPY still pulling. Who got in that again below 561?
Stayed in with one contract.
Oh, nice job.
Yeah, I just stayed in.
Yeah, it was tough around that 71 to, what did it hit? 562.06. So that was a tough move, but hey, it was below VWAP, so good job, you guys. Doug. Yeah, if you got banned, that means you did something silly on Discord. But otherwise, if you didn't verify, it just kicks you off. Listen, if you guys are joining the free Discord by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com, as soon as you go in to the Discord, you have to verify your account. If you don't know how, you can't figure it out, say I need help. Just literally in the stock lounge, say, am I verified? Only for brand new people, and we'll help you get verified.
Repeat that again, Coach. I'm so sorry. I have somebody I sent
No.
over and he was having this problem. Can you please repeat that last one?
Yeah, just if you need help verifying, or when you guys sign into the free Discord, it sends you an email, and all you need to do is follow the directions on the email. Or there's a verifier/rules channel under new member start here. But if you can't figure it out, just say I need help, and I have 20 moderators that'll jump right in there and help you out.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it. Somebody said, if I buy your class, can you do a Roman salute? By the way, that's just silly. That's just nonsense again. You guys got to stop believing everything you read. Stop that nonsense. Yeah, I see it. And look at SPY polling. Did anybody get in again off that 561? I know some of you stayed in it. Good job. You guys got nerves of steel. Nice work. Good job.
I did.
Thank you. By the way, moderators, kick out this yurt. See that Y-U-R-T over on TikTok? Kick them out. Now remember.
On, Coach.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Just mute them. Leave them in here forever so they can just talk to themselves, right? Just leave them in here forever. I love that. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite part.
I'm the playground super for now.
Thank you. Yeah, any of that nonsense will not be tolerated.
I have zero tolerance for that crap.
Yeah, so do I. It's just silly. It's always these user accounts. They don't have a picture. They don't have any followers. It's always, right? It's always these little kids that have no brain. Spy, come on, pull. Let's go, baby. Come on.
And they're usually in the corner petting their support lizard.
Support lizard. You're absolutely right. You're 1,000,000% right. Why don't they love me? Spy is still what way?
Down. Like the cues.
That's right. To the
So coach, we're looking at triple bottom here?
yes.
Like everything.
Yes, you're at a triple bottom here. Yes, good call. But yeah, Spy still to the downside. But yeah, don't worry, haters. If you guys come in any of the silliness, we'll find you right away and we'll mute you. That way you guys can hang out, help build our algorithm upon your bodies, right? It'll be like 300. We'll just keep stacking you up and we'll just keep building right on top of your face. So I appreciate you. Thank you.
You know how you said, Coach, that you guys have like stones in your stomach, you're really able to take it?
Yep.
What I've learned is the shedding is what lets you do that.
It does.
It's all about the shedding.
It really does. Yep, it really does. Did you guys short at the start? Yes, we did, Max. All day. Literally all day we've shorted this. Yep. We started shorting this in the pre-market. Our VIP members in our futures were already shorting this in the pre-market. Yeah. Told everybody, go ahead and start shorting this on the break of 57.16 in the pre-market. I've got it marked right here. 57.16 in the pre-market. It never recovered. It never came back. All day long.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Coach.
I'm trying to do some different techniques, and I'm after talking with Paul yesterday, I wanted to start looking at channeling. So am I correct in saying that ES is channeling between 56.8375 and 56.6325?
It's too hard to channel this spot because you got a triple bottom 560.20 up to 561. This is the actual channel right here, but it's popping through it. So if this breaks channel 561, then the next channel should be 561 to 561.70. See it?
On SPY.
Yep, but it's not really, right now it's not doing any channeling. So
okay.
Yeah, we're looking more for like a consolidation area where it's hitting a nice perfect area. Otherwise, this would be a really long channel, which is 560 back to 562, which is VWAP. So I don't really consider that channeling, right? We want a nice, clear, concise area where we can trade the bottom and the top constantly.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yep. So in this case, again, it's 560.20 to this 561. This is the channel we're in right here. I'll draw it out. This one right here. See it? That's the channel.
Awesome, thank you.
Yep.
On ES, Coach, that gentleman that called out the 56.73 as support became resistance.
That's right. Yes, only if you're a new trader, Max. Only if you're a new trader. If you are a new trader, you do not get to trade in the first 30 minutes of the day. That is absolutely correct. And if you're a new trader, you're not trading SPY anyways, so none of this is relevant to you new traders at all. Yep. If you're an experienced trader, you made a lot of money today because this is an experienced trade, right? Yep, absolutely. SPY is not for the inexperienced at all, in any way, shape, or form. In the first 30 minutes is the most volatile time of the day. But when I get you to become a professional level trader, you can be done in the first 30 minutes easily for the day. And you will once you're good at this, you'll make more money than anybody you've ever seen on YouTube, Facebook, any of that. It's funny. I always see these people on YouTube. I'm the world's greatest trader. Like, no, you're not. Not even close. Not even by not even at all. Not at all. I have moderators that are making more money than the people you guys are staring at that are calling themselves the world's greatest traders. My moderators, some of my moderators are 10, 20, 30x in what the people are that you guys are watching every day that's got 5,000 and 6,000 viewers live. My moderators are doing that in a month that it takes them the whole year in their prop firms. And we're talking about real money over here, right? It's crazy. The stuff you guys see on the internet that you believe, it's nuts. SPY triple bottom bounce. Did anybody catch that if you were just scalping the tiny stuff? Yeah, the guys out there flashing their cars and everything. It's just great. Notice I'm in my car trading it, not flashing my car. This is my only car. This is my car. My wife has one. This is mine. And I like to be away from my home office. This isn't a flex at all. By the way, I'm literally just in my only vehicle. If I was driving a station wagon, the family truckster unit, I would be in that car right now. And nothing against the family truckster
hobby
units.
Collecting. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Hobby Collecting is asking beginner stocks. I remember Ford. What was the other one?
Apple.
Apple. Thank you.
Yep. And if we're talking about like NVIDIA, Soxel. So if you hear AMD, NVIDIA, Intel, Soxel, right? So they're all going to have something, right? If we're talking about Tesla, which is very hard, by the way, but if you're a new trader with Tesla, you are going to want to trade Teslac or TSLL. Those are smaller versions of it. There's always a smaller version stock of what we trade. So SPY will be what? SPXL, SPXU for the inverse. There's always going to be something that's smaller. So if you want to trade what we're trading, it's going to be smaller, okay? It's okay if you flex, you earned it. Thanks, man. But honestly, this is not a flex. Yeah, by the way, I could literally buy any vehicle in the world, and I chose the Cybertruck. Any vehicle in the world. I don't care what it is. I can buy literally any car in the world. I chose the Cybertruck. I love this vehicle. I love this vehicle. Absolutely love it. And everybody freaking out, it's not that expensive now, right? The regular all-wheel drive is like, it was, what, $80K, but then you get a federal tax credit. You can get it down to like $72, and if you use like my referral code or somebody else, you can get it down to $71,000. Go buy any, right, great pickup truck or something. You're going to pay the same price. I'm telling you. So before everybody's like, it's so expensive. Not anymore. Not at all. Is Tesla good to invest in? I believe so, right? Don't take my word for it, but yes, I think so. I think Tesla will 5x in the next 3 years. And you can quote me on that. And I have not been wrong yet. I called the SMCI split. I called NVIDIA running for years. I told you when Intel broke down at $17, it's now $25. I told you hit that thing. I told you when AI was coming. I told you robotics was coming before Tesla even announced any of that stuff. I said, here it comes. The next wave is going to be robots after AI, right? I called Carvana when Carvana was, what, $4 or something? I mean, we've nailed every single thing that's come out, right? MSTR, told you. I told you when the crypto run was going to happen. I told you when so-and-so got in office that crypto was going to take a big run. It did. It hit well over 100K. All of it. Every single thing. Right? Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
you did, Coach.
Yes. You
That's
were
how you
from
roll, baby.
January. from January 2023 saying Tesla was a fire sale at $104 when Jimmy made his 1.2 million because you helped him.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, what's Intel today? $26. You guys remember me when Intel was crashing? I said that's a bunch of BS. It's Intel. They're the world's chip leader. I said don't fall for this, right? It hit like $16 or $17 or whatever the hell it was. It's $26 now. You guys remember me saying that? That wasn't long ago. That was what, 6 months ago? Yeah, you gotta stop listening to these little kids in suits. They don't know what the hell they're talking about. They haven't even been on the planet as long as I've been in the market. Gotta quit. Quit it. NVIDIA, yes, NVIDIA is great. I've been saying that ever since the day I walked in the door. Every day I've been saying that, yes. Did it get long in the tooth? Sure, but it ran up, you know, it drove the S&P up 35% last year. On its own. But no, I still love NVIDIA. Even at $116, I still love it.
ES testing a 4 bottom.
Thank you. Yep, SPY. Oh crap! Look at SPY.
Yeah, there's a little bit stronger support down by 59.
This
I
is.
think I might try to tap on it at some point.
This is great. Now, what did I say? SPY is still going which way? Everybody, SPY is going which way?
Short. Down, down, down.
Yes. Down. Downside, yes. Look at it. This is why I told you, right? Don't go against the grain. I mean, obviously, you guys, you know, the advanced scalpers can go against the grain on these little micro double bottoms and triple bottoms and all the little things. But overall, SPY from the open is still to the downside. And I said, don't you dare long it. Hold on. Everybody's, oh my gosh, and I love it. Okay, hold on. Let me mute all these microphones. Everybody making more money than they've ever seen in their lives. But I told you don't long that until it forms that full boot, which is going to be above VWAP where it was, which was 562.27 at the time. I said, don't you dare long it until we get beyond that, because it's still to the freaking downside, right? It's glorious. Look at this thing. Look at this pull.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's a nice snack.
Yeah, that is. Oh, are you talking about me, the M&Ms, or the stock?
Yeah.
Risk contract. Come on.
I thought it was me too, Coach.
I know it. I really did. I was trying to. That's. Oh boy. Where's my?
Enter you and NQ.
Where's my sound machine when I need it? Wah, wah, wah.
Nice.
I thought I was being called a snack on live in front of millions of people, but I wasn't. It was the trade.
Oh, you wish.
I do, and now I don't.
You ever see that old baby commercial? She says, "Daddy looking like a snack."
Uh-huh. That's what I was thinking.
You could
That's where I thought she was going.
That's where I thought she was going, but no.
You could be
Your
a full
Angie
meal.
snacks in the gift shop.
Yeah,
Listen,
that's
if
what.
she makes you a sandwich, now you're in trouble.
That's what we were talking about. That's what we were talking about. Everybody head on over to the merch store and get yourself a snack. That's what it was. By the way, who's heading over there today to go get your American Dream Trading trucker hats? Look how sweet these are, right? Head on over there. Set yourself up with one. Get some for the kids. Set your whole family up with something real nice over there in the merch store. American Dream Trading. As Mark would say, .com.
I know you dad.
Apple support at 213, Coach.
I did. Let me look. Good job.
And then
Oh, yep.
after that sucker, 211.
Yes. Now remember, I told you, right? If Apple can't break that 215.50 today, it's lights out. So it triple topped at close to 215, and it could not break at all, and it's gone. Very nice. Listen, I'm going to go spend some time with my wife. It is our 30-year hangout from our anniversary. So, everybody be cool. Love your faces. You guys are awesome. Hopefully, you guys all made a gazillion dollars today. If you didn't, I don't know who the hell you were listening to, but all right. You might want to listen to the sound of my voice next time. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Government Cheese, Don, Mark, Miranda, Nick, Palm Coast, Richard, and Unhappily a Housewife. Thank you again so much. We would not be able to put on this ginormous, amazing live every day without all of you. Also, thank you to Diesel Dan, Nick, and Gilly for helping us over in all the social medias and our media content. Speaking of that, make sure you guys go over to YouTube. Let's get us up to that 15,000 subscribers. Go to YouTube right now. Just click that subscribe button. It will alert you when new videos come out. Hit the notification bell if you would, please. Appreciate everybody. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Also, thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Remember, if you guys want to join us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. We've got some specials going on. Bruno, are you in here? What are our specials going on right now? I don't even know.
Right now we have diamond memberships. We have 2 of those available. And the price might shock you. I don't even know why, but it's at $8,000 lifetime access. All the services we offer, plus any future services, $8,000 one shot. We also have... Thank you for that. We also have VIP Lifetime 3,500. We also have Gold Add-on Lifetime, which is if you own a VIP membership already, Lifetime, and you want to get the Gold Add-on Lifetime, you can for 3,500. We also have crypto at $500 for the first year. And that is it.
Thank you. By the way, did you hear that? We've never done that. I've ran a flash sale before. So right now, how many you got? 2? Because we can't do a bunch like that. So 8.
It's limited.
Okay, so 8,000. Yep. By the way, the Diamond Lifetime is everything. That's all lifetime memberships to every membership service we have today and any we make in the future. That's crazy. The cost of Diamond right now, if you get it now, is less than the cost of the Gold Complete. Gold Complete's 10 grand. That's crazy. You guys realize the mentorship program is $6 grand a year. The Diamond for everything is 8. Who came up with that, Bruno? What kind of scam you running on me, Bruno? Bruno's selling the farm because the coach is leaving for New York City, so he's selling the whole farm, huh? Okay.
Cabin in the woods.
Yeah, it's getting creepy on me now. All right, listen. Love your faces. I'm out of here. Everybody have a blessed day. I appreciate all of you. Go spend some time with your loved ones. I appreciate it. Anybody make any money today? Open your mics. Let the whole world know.
Yes.
Thanks, Coach.
Yes, sir. Yes, thanks, Coach.
Yes.
Yep.
Sure did.
Yep.
Yes, thank you, Coach.
I heard Nan in there. Yep.
I don't think I'm done.
Yep. I heard. Yep.
I'm not done yet.
Nice job. Good job. I'm live every day from 9 to 11. Make sure you join us, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Don't forget today, 2 to 4 o'clock, Mark will be live. Then 5 o'clock again, the aftermarket show. Dawn and the amazing guests that she brings on will also be live. Love your faces, everybody. Moderators, I'm out. You guys have control of the board. Thank you.
Go treat your wife to a dinner.
Yay! And I'm going to go enjoy these delicious M&Ms. Yay! Thank you, guys.